getting down there in battery. I've got like 35% battery life left. All of my GoPro batteries are dead. I'm at an event. I did just get the iFlight USB-C to connect on the balance cord. So we're gonna try that here in a minute. Hopefully I have enough battery life to record connecting it and everything. So this is what I've done for the balance connection. And see, this is gonna be connecting here, and GoPro is gonna go in here. So I won't be able to record plugging it in, but this is gonna be a test to see if it works. And we're gonna go chase some drift cars. We are powered by the little connector here. When I plugged it in, it made like a little crunch sound, so I don't know if it was something inside of it that I didn't catch or what, but let's go for a flight.
A hazy film tore from his skin, seeping from every inch of his flesh. As he watched, the yellowish haze seemed to solidify and cocoon his limbs and torso, turning into a soft, spotted coat.
I'm the big dog, or you puppy stop barking. Bow down when the homie come around. The underground wicked, support this shit. When you bump this shit out the trunk pump, bitch. Get it jumping like I hit the switch on the bourbon. Bouncing and swerving on the blacktop serving. Riding on the bitches like I'm dancing on a board. Or hopping on some X Games, watch me as I soar. Bitches can't ignore when I'm banging on the app. With that wicked shit bumping, I'm a rip it to my last. I'm the present, I'm the past. Thirsty bitches make me laugh. Always searching for the relevance, looking like an ass. So I stay celibate the bullshit. Trust no bitch, no fuck with them suckers. Them whack motherfuckers. Keep your lips smacking, mouth running for weeks. Bullets through the talking when the dead man speaks, motherfucker. I'm the living dead, pounding out the stereo. Ripping speakers in half, turn it up, here we go. I'm from the cemetery, put me on the track. And I'm cruising down the street with dead bodies in the back. Human skeletons, come on, not just cause. Zombies, vampires, killers, and all of those. Motherfucking kickbox on the watch when your sock. Shoes dangle from the wire in the middle of the block. Your blood pours from wounds, bullets had to penetrate, perforate the skin as they set up bones within. Straight stay silent, no snitching. Keep it 100, and you can be the next one missing. Power man like Luke Cage with the chains and the gates. Not a hero for hire, but I'm making the front page. I'm center stage, doing what I love. Music is my drug, hitting harder than your real sons. Bump this right here till it's rattling your rear view. Potting on the block, give a fuck about a hit you. Dead man in a dead beast, this is sweet. Taking over motherfucking streets, get down, get lit, get bread, get hit. Any way you wanna get it, bitch, get it till you're dead. You can't see me, I'm a ghost. I'm the living dead, pounding out the stereo. Ripping speakers in half, turn it up, here we go. I'm from the cemetery, put me on the track. And I'm cruising down the street with dead bodies in the back. Human skeletons, come on, not just cause. Zombies, vampires, killers, and all of yours. I keep a small circle, got a lot of acquaintances. I'm universal, this is a business, so don't take it personal. Invisible, I'm an outer space alien in Pennsylvania, draining your blood for real. Tell the officer watching me, we just filming a commercial. Dead girls still don't say no. Best friends are phlebotomists, I'm at the rock bottomless. Mimosas at the colleges, psychologists analyze how to get that poly and a poly metabolically ollie over your head. Peon, hoping the bed we on, leaving you glowing neon. You can't fuck with the flow that we on. I would offer you banana, it's for all that shit that you talking. I'm a nightmare when I'm walking, literally killing me. You can look into my soul as I'm stocking, decapitate all of you hoes in a coffin. I soften them first, chop them up, then hop in the hearse. The shit could be worse. Come on down, we the living dead. Basket case, now let's get in your head. I'm a ghost. Can't see me, I'm a ghost. I'm the living dead, pounding out the stereo. Ripping speakers in half, turn it up, here we go. I'm from the cemetery, put me on the track. And I'm cruising down the street with dead bodies in the back. Human skeletons, come on, not just cause. Zombies, vampires, killers, and all of yours.
We'll be right back after this commercial.
Hey, it's working. No battery.
Is it?
Yeah, that's how I got it wired with no battery here.
No, dope. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, well, somebody from China just sent me this, and everybody's dogging them. talking shit about these connections. I got a normal flight time out of this. Like, this is 6 minutes of flight time.
It's not that bad, yeah.
No, dude, and my battery right now is sitting at 21.67. I flew for 5 minutes 18 seconds, so it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with this.
Because that gives you time to safely land.
Well, and I fucking came with only one charge GoPro battery, but I had these, and I was like, well, I'm not going to stress about charging the packs. I can just stress about getting everything else ready. And here we are. I got it. It's working. We're good, people. Did I not start it before I left?
I have no idea.